Desert, swamp, moor, forest. Nature offers a dazzling array of landscapes. To understand where this wealth of diversity comes from, we must delve a few meters underground into what we commonly call the soil. We have explored the planet so thoroughly that we think we know everything that exists right below our feet. We know less than 10% of the organisms that populate the underground world, and that, each in their own way, take an active part in creating the soil. We're just beginning to discover that plants form partnerships and create complex unions. Welcome to this subtle, surprising, and secret world.